Hey, quick question. Have you ever heard someone say, forex trading is just gambling? Or, you'll lose all your money? Maybe. Only the rich make money in forex. Well, you're not alone. These myths are everywhere, and they're stopping smart people from building wealth. So today, we're going to bust the 10 biggest forex lies people still believe in 2025. Stick around. This might just flip your mindset forever. Let's start with the classic. Myth number 1. Forex is just gambling. Sounds familiar? But here's the difference. Gambling is based on chance. You spin a wheel, roll a dice, and hope. Forex, it's about analysis. You study charts, economic trends, and make informed decisions. Sure, there's risk, but that doesn't make it random. Smart traders use strategies, risk management, and even psychology to win consistently. That's not gambling. That's skill. Myth number 2. You need a lot of money to start trading. Let me ask you this. How much did you spend on coffee last week? Because for the cost of a few lattes, you could have opened a micro forex account. Many platforms let you start with as little as $10 to $50. With micro lots and leverage, your capital goes further. You don't need $10,000. You need knowledge, discipline, and goals. Don't wait until you're rich to invest. Start investing to get rich. Myth number 3. Forex is only for financial experts. Nope. You don't need a finance degree or Wall Street badge. If you can watch a YouTube video and learn how to cook pasta, you can learn Forex. There are demo accounts, free courses, Telegram communities, even AI tools helping beginners trade smarter than ever before. You just need a willingness to learn. Because guess what? Every expert was once a beginner. Myth number 4. You can get rich overnight. This is a big one. People think you open a trade on Monday and buy a Lamborghini by Friday. But Forex isn't a lottery, it's a journey. Profitable trading comes from hundreds of smart trades over time. Those TikTok traders flashing cash? Most aren't profitable long-term. Real traders focus on discipline, not dopamine. You want to grow slowly and sustainably, not blow up fast and burn out. Myth number 5. Forex is illegal or shady. Forex is a $7 trillion daily market. It's used by governments, banks, corporations, worldwide. So no, Forex isn't illegal. But here's the catch. You need a regulated broker. Scams happen when people chase fake returns or offshore brokers. Check for licenses. Do your homework. Forex is legal. Scamming people with fake promises? That's the illegal part. Myth number 6. You have to trade all day. Newsflash. You don't need to stare at charts 8 hours a day. You can trade a few minutes a day with proper planning. Tools like stop loss, limit orders, and automated alerts do the heavy lifting. Want to trade during lunch break or just before bed? You're in control. This isn't a full-time job unless you want it to be. Myth number 7. It's too risky. Every investment has risk, but risk doesn't mean reckless. Good traders manage risk using stop losses, 1% rules, and emotion control. If you follow a plan, track your trades, and learn from your losses, you reduce your risk over time. Forex is risky if you treat it like a game, but it's powerful if you treat it like a business. Myth number 8. It's only about charts and technicals. Charts are cool, but they're just part of the story. Big news events like elections, interest rates, even natural disasters can shake the forex market. This is called fundamental analysis. Smart traders blend both, the math of the market and the mood of the world. So yes, you can be a news junkie and a chart nerd. Myth number 9. Only people in rich countries can trade. Wrong. Forex is global. If you have a phone, internet, and a few dollars, you're in the game. From Manila to Nairobi to Sao Paulo, millions are trading daily. The market doesn't care where you're from, only how you trade. Myth number 10. Forex is a man's game. Wrong again. Some of the most consistent, disciplined, and profitable traders? Women. Because trading doesn't care about gender, it cares about mindset. So, which myth were you believing before today? Comment below. Smash the like button if this helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, honest investing talk.